Hello everyone, this is Rahul. In this video, I will show you how to make your trial reel into a permanent reel. So how can you publish your trial reel permanently so that now your followers can also see that reel. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to do that. Open your Instagram account. Here you need to go to a Reels tab, and when you will click on the arrow, you will see a trial reel. So here you can see I have this trial reel. Click on this and click on three dot here and click on manage trial, and here you will get the option as share to everyone. You need to select this option. Now you can see it is shared. If you will go no trial reel at the moment, if you will go and check, you can see it is posted to your profile. I hope you will find this video useful.